In this video, I'll show you how to install Elementor on WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. Next, search for Elementor Website Builder. When you find the official plugin, click Install Now, then click Activate. After that, Elementor will be added to your WordPress dashboard and will be ready to use. You can access its settings from the left sidebar and adjust the basic options if needed. Now create a new page by going to Pages and clicking Add New. Publish the page, then click Edit with Elementor to launch the page builder. Once the editor opens, you can start building your page by dragging widgets like headings, images, text, buttons, and videos into your layout. Customize each element to match your website's style. Finally, save your changes and preview the page to make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install Elementor on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.